The project is Vakil Metropolis, which is located on 100 acres township. About 100 villas are already sold out and people are staying here.
Or people are already residing here.
Yeah.
From 19 lakhs to 69 lakhs today.
This is our west facing model villa.
Okay.
So let me show you. So this is the amphitheater where we have already hosted last 2 years in the...
So this is the dining area, right?
Right. So the one which you see here is the customized villa that we have built. And this is one of the spacious villas inside our layout.
A lot of people are मतलब afford नहीं कर पाते हैं एक villa को लेना.
Karnataka's first net zero water project approved by the IGBC.
So guys, आप लोग check out कर सकते हो. This is the 30-40 plot area. ठीक है, ये आपको मिलेगा for just rupees 69 lakhs. Okay, 49,000 इनका booking amount है. So guys, you can actually see कितना spacious.
So in this particular project, there will be no outer elevation restrictions. One of the highlight of our property, a cricket stadium that is coming within 5 to 6 kilometer radius from our project.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Afreen Fatima and today's video is not my regular video. So guys, आज हम लोग आए हैं बैंगलोर के one of the top most builders, that is Vakil Housing का एक बहुत ही amazing project आप लोगों के साथ share करने के लिए. So welcome to Vakil Metropolis, located in Jigni Anikal Main Road. So guys, stay tuned to the whole video because I'm going to show you some amazing investment benefits if you invest in Vakil Metropolis. So guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please don't forget to like, share, comment and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so far. So without a further ado, let's start the video. So guys, we've entered into the layout and now let's meet the marketing manager here. Hey, hi.
Hello, hi.
What's your name?
Rajesh.
Okay, so Rajesh, tell us firstly the project's exact location, please.
Okay, the project is located in Inlavadi, which is on Jigni Anikal Highway. So this is about 6 kilometers from Jigni Circle. You must know the Jigni Circle, which is also the APC Circle.
Correct.
So the nearest landmark is the Vijayashree Multi-Speciality Hospital.
All right. So guys, this is actually closer to Electronic City as well. So Electronic City का flyover आप जैसे ही खत्म करते हो, then is the Bomasandra, right?
So once when you are coming from Electronic City, so you'll get the Bomasandra flyover. You'll not take the flyover, you'll just go underneath and take a U-turn.
Okay.
And you'll take the Bomasandra Jigni Link Road.
All right. So guys, I'm going to share you the exact Google Maps link location in the description. So just click on it and you'll be here. All right. So tell us something about your project first of all.
Okay. The project is Vakil Metropolis, which is located on 100 acres township. So what you're seeing here is the 27-acre township, out of which 515 units are there, out of which already 280 units are sold.
Sold?
Yeah, already sold.
All right. So guys, already 280 plus plots are already sold out. So what's the availability right now?
About 100 villas are already sold out and people are staying here.
Or people are already residing here?
Yeah.
All right. So guys, this is a very exciting point. हम लोग आए हैं एक जगह जो कि developing community है. But in the developing state, already 280 plus plots are sold out and 100 villas is sold out. And another thing कि लोग already यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, वो हम लोग obviously आपके साथ share करेंगे है या नहीं है. We'll show you that. So ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ viewers ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೊಮ್ಮಸಂದ್ರ ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೊಮ್ಮಸಂದ್ರ ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ದಿರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಯೂ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೊಮ್ಮಸಂದ್ರ ಜಿಗ್ನಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ರೋಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಜಿಗ್ನಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ವಕೀಲ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಾಲಿಸ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿಸಿನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ 300 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 450 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏಷ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ MJ Aviana resort ಇದೆ.
Oh, so there's a resort also here.
Exactly. About
so guys, like he said, MJ Aviana resort, this was already actually very trending place in the Instagram. So I've also heard about it. Yes. So that is right, exactly closer here.
Absolutely, just
so
about 400
meters. Can we have a look at that as well?
Yes, we can go.
All right, sure. So
let me show you the model villa.
Please, sure.
This is our west facing model villa.
Okay.
So let me show you. This is constructed on a 30-40 plot and this is the car parking.
Alright. So guys, this is the car parking area. So guys, we've actually entered the model villa and you guys can see this is the living area, correct?
Yes, correct.
Yes, so this is the living area. यहाँ पे full on interiors किया हुआ है actually. So are you going to give it with the interiors or are you going to give it with without interiors?
No, actually as interiors are different to every different individual, so their choice will differ.
Correct.
So we'll give only without the interiors,
Sure.
and if necessary, we can suggest some good interiors. we
Great,
can
works. Definitely. What's the pricing of the 3040 villa?
So this is basically a west-facing villa. Villas here are starting from 1.2 crores.
Great. So this is the dining area, right?
Right.
All right. So guys, आप लोग चेकआउट कर सकते हैं आराम से. This is the dining area and followed by the kitchen. I think ये open kitchen है.
Yes, it is an open kitchen.
It is an open kitchen. All right. So guys, you can do your interiors according to your taste. This is how they have actually done the villa.
In ground floor, we have one bedroom and one common toilet.
So guys, you can actually check out. There's a window here, okay? And this is the space. तो पहला bedroom में आपको इतनी खासी space मिलती है. And wardrobes भी already उन्होंने embed करवाए हैं. This is the cot. Okay, obviously is a part of interiors. अच्छा खासा spacious है ground floor वाला bedroom भी.
Let's see to the first floor bedrooms. Okay, in first floor, first we'll get to see the study cum office room.
Okay. Or is it convertible even to the kids' bedroom?
Yes, it's absolutely doable.
Alright. All I wanted to say is अगर आप लोगों को यहाँ पे office room या because most of the people are doing work from home, तो इस हिसाब से actually यहाँ पे एक setup किया गया है. अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं तो you can put a sliding door and convert this to a one मतलब kids bedroom भी convert कर सकते हो.
So this is the second bedroom. This comes with the wardrobe space as well as an attached washroom.
Okay. So guys, you can actually see कितना spacious है. यहाँ पे भी एक्चुअली वॉक इन वार्डरोब के लिए क्लॉजेट के लिए यहाँ पे अच्छा खासा स्पेस दिया गया है एंड अगेन इट्स अटैच्ड टू अ टॉयलेट सो यू कैन एक्चुअली हैव अ लुक.
Okay, and let's have a look at the third bedroom.
Okay.
So the specialty of this bedroom is it opens to a wonderful balcony outside,
Okay.
and also it has the attached washroom.
So guys, in this particular bedroom, like he said, it has an attached balcony and an attached toilet. So let's see कि balcony कितनी बड़ी है, कैसा है, spacious है या नहीं. So guys, देखिए हम लोग अभी enter किए हैं and this is the space for the first floor balcony. Over to you.
This is how spacious the balcony is. You know, most of our clients share their feedback. This is the place where they spend their peaceful evenings. You know, this is one of the highlight of our property, and which
Absolutely.
opens to such a wide open space.
Absolutely, and it looks really nice because most of the times what happens is, you know, in this city we are unable to actually मतलब वो इतना ज़्यादा pollution हो जाता है.
Right.
So we are not able to even breathe properly. तो
Correct.
उस हिसाब से most of the people are actually preferring South Bangalore these days. And this is one of the really good prime properties I would suggest कि आप लोग एक बार definitely check out कीजिए. यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. I would say that personally because I'm just loving the kind of vibe and the aura that I'm getting from here because very greenery बहुत अच्छी है. And आप लोग देख सकते हो बहुत सारे villas actually you know construction भी चल रहा है. And यहाँ पे आप देख ही सकते हो लोग already move in भी कर चुके हैं. Okay, so that's not a spot that I actually want to cover, but बस बताना था आप लोगों को. देखिए वहाँ पे कपड़े भी सुखा रहे हैं लोग. And this is also another villa.
Yeah, that's one of the model villas.
Okay, that is what facing?
East facing model
Okay,
villa.
so currently we are in the west facing.
Correct. Currently, we're on the west facing, and
Okay,
as you
good.
can also see, so you must be able to see a lot of trees, you know,
Right.
which are not fully grown, but
Okay.
you'll see a lot of trees. The specialty of the project is you have 800 such trees which is already planted,
Okay,
and over a
great.
period of about 3 to 5 years, this will be fully grown. And if you can also see, usually, if you stand in the balcony,
Mm-hmm.
you'll always get to see maximum 100 or 200 meters far.
Right.
Even though now we are on the first floor, we can almost see a half a kilometer far.
Correct.
That is how peaceful layout it is.
Absolutely.
It is
I mean,
not, you know, filled with too many houses and, you know, too many high-rise building, which is
Right.
spoiling the view of the balcony.
absolutely.
So you are getting a wonderful view because of the greenery, which we have still purposefully maintained and, you know, not pointed towards making more number of units.
Great. So guys, the reason मैं आप लोगों को ये प्रॉपर्टी दिखा रही थी कि जनरली क्या होता है, a lot of people are मतलब अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं एक विला को लेना. तो हम लोग जनरली क्या करते हैं, crammed अपार्टमेंट में जा करके you know we spend too much amount of the money and we get stuck there. बट उसमें क्या हो जाता है, हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स रहते हैं एंड फ्लैट की वैल्यू जनरली डेप्रिशिएट होती है. करेक्ट, राइट?
Absolutely, that is, you have spot on point. That is what usually most of our customers who have bought property here, who have just moved from an apartment share. With this budget, if we ever knew that we could get a spacious villa like this, we would have never did our
Absolutely.
first purchase of apartment.
आई थिंक दैट्स अ रियली गुड पॉइंट. क्या हो जाता है, यू नो, दिस काइंड ऑफ अ बजट अगर आप लोग वहां पे एक फ्लैट भी लेने की कोशिश करते हो, देन ऑल्सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. यू नीड टू एक्चुअली मूव अ लिटिल फर्दर फार, और नहीं तो बोलते हैं ना कि लिटिल ओल्डर बिल्डिंग, सो दैट यू गेट इट एट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्राइस. बट हियर द लैंड के साथ आपको पूरे का पूरा कंस्ट्रक्टेड विला मिल रहा है.
So why personally I would suggest staying in a villa is so much better than apartment, irrespective of how you are actually being the owner of apartment. You actually get to decide very less on your particular house and surrounding house. But when you get into a villa, you always have the privacy of choosing what you want and how you want, and you don't have to worry about the lot of terms and conditions that usually the apartment association shares with you. So here it is very peaceful to live, and you'll get an actual feel of being owner of the land. So that is where
I also want to intervene there and बस यही बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आप आपके खुद के लैंड के मालिक रहोगे, which is really good thing. ठीक है ना, आप कभी भी चाहो जैसा चाहो आप कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हो. तो इनके पास ऑलरेडी प्लॉट्स का भी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है, जैसा आपको चाहे आप वैसा कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हो. बट जनरली दीज आर द दिस इज द मॉडल विला. तो इनके हिसाब से इन्होंने ऐसे एलिवेशन बनाया है. So you can pick up anything. There's no restrictions as such.
Yeah. So in this particular project, there'll be no outer elevation restrictions. So once we get the plot, only thing that you have to follow is the BMRDA guidelines. Correct. Apart from that, the outer elevation, the structure, everything is of your choice.
All right.
So this is the terrace of our villa. So where you have provision for building your own gazebo. As this is our model villa, we have made sure we have already built the gazebo so that customer gets a clear idea how the gazebo is going to look on the terrace, and what is the view that they'll get to see once when they sit in gazebo.
Right. So guys, आप लोग देख सकते हैं कितना खूबसूरत आपको एक्चुअली व्यू मिल रहा है. एंड वहाँ पे आप देख लो एक और एंट्रेंस है एक्चुअली. सो टोटली दे हैव 3 एंट्रेंसेस. एक आके ये वाला साउथ एंट्रेंस रहेगा और वहाँ पे आगे से आपको नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंट्रेंस मिलेगा और एक 80 feet road वाला main entrance, right?
Exactly.
Can you explain a bit?
So very soon we'll also be opening the 80 feet road entrance, so which is basically located directly opening to the Jignya Anekal highway.
Okay.
So once that is there, a short appreciation is yet to happen. So I would suggest you to grab the offer as fast as possible because we have very limited number of units left. So don't miss this offer.
All right. So guys, हम लोगों ने आपको विला दिखा दिया है. What about basic things like what about the electricity and water? How are you going to provide that?
Okay, so all the basic amenity requirements are already done. So electricals are all done underground, and the water system is also taken care. In fact, one speciality about the project is in this project we also have the Karnataka's first net zero water project approved by the IGBC. So what is net zero water exactly? Net zero water is a system where the design of the layout is framed in such a way that the minimal dependency of outside water. So whatever the used water is there, and whatever the rainwater is collected, that is flown to a naturally sloped pond, which is artificially made. So from there, the water is filtered and stored in the overhead water tank. So and that is used to make sure always a less dependency on outside water is.
So basically, scarcity of water is something that we don't have to worry about.
Exactly.
Right. All right. So guys, we need to check a little bit more about the net zero. Like he said, थोड़ा सा glimpse मतलब थोड़ा सा gist उन्होंने हमें actually दिया है. He gave us a few particular points about how they store the water, and probably it gets recycled as well.
Yes.
Okay. I think you guys also have a STP, right?
Yes, we have a sewage treatment plan.
Okay.
So as all the projects in most of the projects we don't miss that. So we have a sewage treatment plant. But the highlight of this property is Karnataka's net zero water project by having a artificial pond which we have made so that all the rainwater that falls inside this 27 acres of layout is naturally going to follow the slope and get filled in the artificial pond.
Okay.
And from there the filtration process is taken care and then it is passed on to the overhead water tank.
So guys, it's basically like a filtration system. मतलब जितना भी पानी आता है, they kind of store that water into the artificial pond, and वहाँ से जो है और different while I was actually having a talk with him, मतलब मुझे भी थोड़ा पता चला इसके बारे में. तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं, हर जगह पे एक्चुअली उन्होंने पिट्स भी बनाए हैं, एंड जहाँ भी वो लोग स्टोर कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे स्टोरेज करते हैं पानी का, फिर उसको रिसाइकल किया जाता है फिल्ट्रेशन सिस्टम के द्वारा. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज द net zero water thing. Okay, and it goes to the overhead tank, and they also have some space otherwhere as well, right?
Yes, so basically whenever the water is flowing through it, we have also made sure we have percolation pits, and also if you have seen like olden days, we have the open wells.
Correct.
So that is where we store the water, and also we are not concerned only about storing all the water, we also recharge the bore wells.
Right.
So the percolation pits are directly connected to the places where bore wells are connected, so we recharge the groundwater.
Okay, and another very important thing ही ऐसे बड़े layouts में वगैरह obviously sewage का थोड़ा दिक्कत रहता है ना, तो यहाँ पे वो भी टेंशन नहीं है, सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट इज ऑलरेडी हियर एंड आई थिंक आप लोग उसको रिसाइकल करके गार्डनिंग में भी यूज करते हो
Yeah,
पानी?
yeah. So this water can used for gardening, car wash, and toilet flush tanks.
All right. So guys, this was the villa. We showed you the model villa. Details आपको screen पे मिल जाएंगे. You can definitely contact and book a site visit.
Yes.
Okay. Free
So for
site.
interested customer, I would suggest please call on the number that we are going to display on the screen, so that we can arrange the free site visit facility. We'll pick you up, show the property, and drop you back to your places. And as very less number of units are available in the project, I wish you make the decision much more faster, because the availability is only 100 plus, and sooner we are getting already a lot of customers. Being a weekend, we already have about 20 customers already in the project now who are very closer to making their decisions. So this is the amphitheater where we
Okay.
have already hosted last 2 years Independence Day function here.
Oh.
So where all the existing customers gather to celebrate and show unity. And for many other occasions, whatever we are planning, so this is one beautiful place to do it. As you see, a lot of greenery.
So guys, for any kind of community events, they actually have the dais and यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं flag hoisting का भी ये है ना?
Pole.
Yes. All right. So quite a good ample space, I would say, and कई सारे लोग actually occupy कर सकते हैं.
100
So-
plus easily.
100 plus?
Yes,
All right,
easily.
great. And the stage is also pretty big enough.
Yeah.
Okay. So you've already hosted events, is what you said. मतलब यहाँ पे?
2 years of Independence Day is what we have already hosted here. So
Okay.
people feel very nice, one common place where they can gather and get to know each other of their neighbors.
Okay, great. So guys, आप लोग check out कर सकते हो. This is the 30-40 plot area. ठीक है, ये आपको मिलेगा for just ₹69 lakhs. Limited time offer है. Contact details आपको screen पे मिल जाएंगे. In case you're interested, you can go ahead and book a site visit. Free site visit भी मिल जाएगा हमारे viewers के लिए. Just one call away and आप लोग आकर के check out करो.
So the one which you see here is the customized villa that we have built, and this is one of the spacious villas inside our layout.
Oh, so you mean that this is a bigger dimension
Right.
villa?
So this is not the usual size, which is almost double the size of the usual ones which we sell.
Okay.
But so this villa is built combining those two plots.
Okay.
And
मतलब 2 plots को मिला करके एक विला बनाया गया है यहाँ पे.
exactly, and it's a 4 BHK extremely spacious villa.
All right. So guys, you can actually see this size of this bedroom as well. And ये देख लीजिए आप लोग. You can. I'm sorry if my voice is echoing because पूरे का पूरा खाली है. And you can see this. This is a walk-in closet room as well. काफी spacious है ये भी.
This is like a
And this is the attached toilet.
As I informed earlier, this is one of the customized villa where customers very particular about using the wooden flooring. So this is what we have done for them. Even this also comes with the attached bathroom.
Okay.
And a space for running
Oh, there's
closet.
some space as well for your,
Running closet.
changing closet, yeah.
And this also has a small balcony.
All right. So guys, you can actually see in this customized villa how spacious this balcony size is. Okay. And यहाँ का सबसे बढ़िया बात, यहाँ की view आप देख लीजिए. Look at that beautiful view, guys.
So the one which you see there is the amphitheater.
All right.
So
And you can actually see the greenery across. And ये जो view है ना, it's giving me that, I really don't know. It's like a proper hill station kind of a feel.
absolutely, that is what I used to say. In most of the projects, if you are very particular about buying something inside the city, unless you go to high rise, you'll never get to see this much wider
View as well, right?
And if you, especially this balcony, if you see, you can even see 10 kilometers right from here with zero obstruction, no high rise buildings. So
That's the
nature
beauty
is,
of this property, especially, I would say.
Exactly.
Also, another very important thing is that, मतलब आप जो apartments लेते हो, उसमें आपका undivided share, that is the UDS is very, very less. Whereas in this particular thing, you don't even have to worry at all. The entire land is yours, okay? तो ये एक बहुत ही important चीज़ है जो मैं आप लोगों के साथ share करना चाह रही थी. So make your choice. So Rajesh, what I wanted to actually check with you is I can see a couple of empty plots here. I mean the vacant lands. Are these available for sale? Or they are sold out, or people haven't constructed what it is?
as I already mentioned, we have sold 280 plots.
Okay.
So some of the customers have still not decided to do their construction.
Okay.
So even when it comes to availability, the availability is spread across the layout. So
Okay.
out in all the clusters, the availability you will get to.
Okay. So
find.
probably these people who haven't constructed must have taken it for investment.
Yeah.
And guys, what humongous appreciation, I would say, from 19 lakhs to 69 lakhs today. Okay, what do you have in a brighter future? What can you say? How much more do you think it could appreciate?
Okay, because now the phase 1 availability is shrinking down very fast. So we are also planning to do our phase 2, in which
Alright.
we'll have a bigger dimension plots. So once when the availability is getting low, the demand is going to go crazy.
So generally Bangalore में बहुत सारे options हैं for studies and for work based, right?
Right.
So people from different parts of the India are actually coming here and preferring to buy properties here more than their own hometowns. Obviously investment के लिए बहुत ही amazing opportunity है. So मेरा एक suggestion है आप लोगों के साथ कि ये जो property मैं आप लोगों के साथ share कर रही हूँ, the reason being कि already appreciation हो चुका है. एंड आगे का क्या प्लान है थोड़ा बताइए प्लीज.
The prices are increasing at a very high pace, but
Okay.
for your viewers, I can always hold this price for a certain amount of time where they can buy the plots available here at just rupees 69 lakhs.
ऑलराइट सो गाइस हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए खास ये ऑफर है. सो जस्ट कम सी द प्रॉपर्टी. लेना ना लेना ऑब्वियसली आपकी चॉइस है. एंड फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स इफ आई से बिकॉज फॉर माय ऑडियंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी. So I just really want to understand what about the legal clarities, titles, papers, what is the khata? Thoda explain kijiye please.
Yeah, the project is approved from all major banks. Just to
Okay.
mention, it is approved from even State Bank of India.
Oh, that's great. So you mean HDFC, ICICI, Axis,
You
SBI?
name the bank, will get the loan.
All right. So guys, loan भी available है. And what about the legal clarities? मतलब documents, legal set of documents
Okay.
वगैरह आप दोगे?
We have got all legal clearance for this project, only after which we were able to get the loan approval from State Bank of India.
Okay.
But anyway, so once when you book by paying 49,000 rupees, a set of legal documents will be given to you where you can take it to your banker, advocate and get it verified. So once you get the complete clearance, you can then come and do the agreement.
Alright, so guys, ये बहुत ही अच्छा ऑफर है. बस आप आकर के विजिट करो, बुक करो and pay 49 you said?
Yeah,
How much did you say?
49,000.
Okay, 49,000 इनका बुकिंग अमाउंट है. अगर आप 49,000 बुकिंग अमाउंट पे करते हो, immediately you're going to get the legal set of documents. Unless and until you are not satisfied, you don't need to move ahead. I just wanted to check another question with you. I have another question from our audience side. For example, I've paid 49,000 booking amount and then I find some problems with the legal papers. I'm not satisfied with something. So will it be refunded?
First of all, you'll never get an opportunity to find even a single flaw in the legal set of our property.
You're guaranteeing that?
100%.
Alright, so guys, यही हम लोगों को चाहिए. Okay? बेसिक चीज़ है लोकेशन. सेकेंड चीज़ है प्राइसिंग. मेजर चीज़ जो है हम लोग जो अवॉइड करते हैं, कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी में जाकर के इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं, अपना हार्ड एंड मनी जो है जाकर के लगा देते हैं एंड देन बहुत ज़्यादा पछताते हैं. तो उस हिसाब से आपको मेजर क्या करना है, लीगल स्क्रूटिनी करना है. तो ये लोग बोल रहे हैं बस 49,000 पे करो और बुकिंग अमाउंट कर दो एंड टेक द लीगल सेट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स, गेट इट स्क्रूटिनाइज्ड. Until and unless you're not satisfied, you don't need to move ahead. Thank you so much for that. Yeah.
Yes.
Anything else
And
you want to
in
add?
case if you ever are not satisfied with some of the legal flaws, or in case if you find it, you'll never get it. But in case if you find it, the amount of 49,000 rupees what you have paid is 100% refundable.
All right. So guys, कुछ भी अगर आप लोगों को दिक्कत होती है, do you have a legal team and everything?
Yeah, we have a team.
All right. So कुछ questions मुझे आते हैं पेपर लेने के बाद मुझे
We are just one call
assistance मिल
away.
जाएगा ना सब कुछ का?
Absolutely.
All right. Let's move ahead. All right. So is there anything else that you want to share?
No, I would like to say that the faster the better. As you know that the number of units that are available are way too less compared to the availability that we had last month. The units are getting booked very much faster. So if you can ask your viewer to make the decision faster, that would be excellent. Nothing like that. And hoping to see you at site.
The mobile number will be given on the screen, so you guys can just call them and book a free site visit. The project's name is Vakil Metropolis. And if you have a few older projects that you have completed, do you have any shots of it as well?
Yeah, I can share that too.
Alright, so we'll share you some completed projects का clips as well. तो आप लोग एक बार check कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Anything else? What is close vicinity के 5 kilometers vicinity में? What do you have?
Okay, the nearby development happening, which I would really like to mention, is the cricket stadium that is coming within 5 to 6 kilometer radius from our project, which has 80,000 seating capacity and which is coming up in a 75 acres land. So with that coming in, the prices of the project is going to be definitely going very high. So make your choices faster.
So guys, the project actually is in close proximity to the STRR ring road, okay? And like he said, the stadium is also coming across, and the resort, the biggest resort, the man-made tallest waterfall, right?
Asia's
tallest waterfall.
Man-made waterfalls.
All right, so that's also closer by. It's just exactly 300 meters away from here, and the project is almost, मतलब developing stage में है, but people have moved in. and we can see some real good developments happening across, and under construction villas भी बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, and it's a huge 100 acres of township, right?
Yes,
And
the first phase is 27 acres.
what
but the-
are the amenities? Can you brief a little bit of the amenities as well?
Yes, you have 6 children play areas and outdoor gym and jogging track and all the basic amenities.
Okay.
The clubhouse is yet to be started, but it will be delivered by 2027.
Okay.
So you name the amenity, all the basic amenities are taken care
You
of.
mean the modern state art amenities are already here,
Right.
and ठीक है, हम आपको share कर देंगे screen पे. We'll share you what all the amenities that they are providing, and clubhouse, like you said, 2027 will be ready.
Yes,
For sure.
absolutely, 100%.
All right.
It's also mentioned in the agreement.
Oh,
so,
great.
So book a site visit. We'll share all the details that is necessary for you to make a decision faster.
And guys, अगर आप मुझे personally पूछेंगे, I really like the property. Again, point क्या है, already appreciation हो चुका है, तो मुझे कोई चीज़ आपके साथ guarantee दिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप लोग यहाँ पे आ करके check कीजिएगा. और दूसरी बात ये है कि people have already started to move in here, and the developments are going really good across here. And obviously, people want to move away from the city to grab all these offers and benefits. Like you want to live a little longer, you have to move a little away from the city, obviously, because of the pollution. And what more would you want to add on to?
No, one thing is we have been very careful about choosing the development. We have avoided cutting too many trees and designed the layout in such a way that we have always
You mean the greenery
given
is,
importance.
yes.
Yes.
So guys, Bangalore is obviously known as the green city, and they have maintained that particular environment here. तो green city की चीज़ है, मतलब pollution बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, and बहुत सारे फायदे हैं guys. You can own your own piece of land instead of actually, investing in an apartment. So why are you waiting? Hurry up, go book a free site visit. Details will be on the screen. You just have to call. All right, Rajesh, thank you so much for actually sharing all the details about your project. And I hope people visit down your project. And you guys go ahead and share your comments if you like this project or no. And if you've already heard about Vakil Housings, any of the projects, again, comment down below. All right, thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you for watching. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Afreen Fatima Official. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes to come.